Good morning, Tom. Let's take that tooth out today.
No! I don't want to! I want to go home! Tom, come back!
Tom, stop!
Why do I have a bad tooth? How did this happen? Chocolate at night is the best thing in the world. Ouch! My tooth hurts! But I can't stop now. It's too yummy. I can't tell Mum. She'll take me to the dentist. I'm not going there. Never.
Tom, brush your teeth carefully.
1, 2, 3, done! I'm the fastest brusher in the world!
Oh no, I forgot to buy a new toothbrush again.
Breakfast was so delicious. I am full. Tom, have some water. No, thank you. I want soda.
Tom, rinse your mouth with water.
I don't have time, Dad. Tom, can you open this bottle? The cap is too tight. Easy. I have super strong teeth. Ouch! My tooth, Mom, Dad, it hurts!
Tom, what happened?
My tooth hurts so much.
We must go to the dentist, right now.
Tom, we found you. We are right here.
Tom, if I take the tooth out now, the pain will stop, I promise. You are brave, Tom. You can do this.
Okay, I will try.
1, 2, 3. It's done.
Is it finished?
Finished. The bad tooth is out. Great job, Tom.
It doesn't hurt anymore. It really doesn't hurt.
We are so proud of you, sweetheart.
That was very brave, Tom. Here is a new toothbrush. Brush your teeth for 2 full minutes. And don't forget to rinse your mouth with water after eating sweets.
My bad. I'll make sure Tom gets a new toothbrush every 3 months.
I promise, Doctor. I will protect my teeth from now on. Up and down. Left and right. My teeth are so clean! Ah, fresh and cool. Goodbye, sugar bugs. Water makes our teeth strong and healthy, Emma. Brush every day and stay healthy. Bye-bye, friends.